Tu boleh.
Nampak tu?
Nampak.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Jawab.
Okey. Saya bayar tu. Jelas dah?
Jelas. Clear gila.
Cakap. Sangat.
Seratus kan? Tak apa, tak payah padam. Buat je kat bawah sana.
Okey.
F prime X. Kau guna mouse ke?
Tu.
Okay.
Tu tak kira dah.
Yang selepas ini Farah, Syuyi, Labib dengan Putri Wan Najihah boleh ambil gambar siap-siap lah. Ambil gambar siap-siap dan transfer dekat laptop. Lepas tu nanti share screen jawapan pun boleh. Okay. Kalau nak tulis kat whiteboard macam slow je kan.
Sungguh sangat dah.
Itulah saya
Maaf
bagi
rakan-rakan.
option. Ambil gambar. Cara dia, awak ambil gambar, awak buka. Kalau nak cepat lah, kalau awak guna MacBook ke dengan iPhone susah kan. Kalau MacBook dengan iPhone senang, kalau guna iPhone dengan Microsoft susah. So ambil gambar, buka web WhatsApp, lepas tu hantar, lepas tu share screen. Cara tu cepat juga.
Betul
Then you explain a bit lah on your answers. Okay. 22x tolak
tidak. P.
2f kan, tak apa.
Alamak.
Tak apa. Faham dah?
Apa tu?
Ya. Lima, x tolak 3.
Alah.
Dia slow tak apa, jadi je. Tak, kali darab x plus 5.
Yes.
Okay. So now tulis je kat situ critical point ni, tulis x sama dengan
So,
negatif 0 lagi. Okay.
okey tu. Dah siap dah.
Okay, dah siap dah. Bagus. So apa? Okay, so betul ni kat sini, right? So kat sini dia kita ni kena macam beritahu lah, because dia punya f prime x is equals to 0 lah. Okay, hence you boleh jawab ni sama dengan 0 and then you akan dapat jawapan ini. So because this is the polynomial, alright, it exists everywhere. So the critical points is here. This is 0, 3.5 and negative 5 is the critical points of the function. Okay, right? Okay, thank you Adi.
Thank you, Doktor.
Okay, dah save dah. Right. So now second, siapa tadi? Farah kan? Farah, boleh share jawapan awak Farah? Oh, Farah. Siapa tahu Farah ada ke tidak? Okey, sementara Farah dulu nak prepare dia tu, Shui, awak share dulu jawapan nombor 3. Thank you, Shui. This is easier. Okay, explain a bit, Shui. Alright. Boleh awak explain sikit?
First, I differentiate the y. So I get 6 plus 12 sine 3x. Then to find the critical point, the y prime is equal to 0. And just do it.
Okay. Teruskan.
Then 6 plus 12 sine 3x equal to 0. 12 sine 3x equal to negative 6. Then after that, we will get the 3x equal to sine what is this? Negative 1 over negative 1 over 2. Then 3x equals to negative 1 over 6, and then that symbol is called.
Okay. Shui, mana pen saya? Ni yang 3x sama dengan negative 1 over 6 pi ni, where do you get it?
After I press sine negative 1 over 2, negative 1 over 2 in calculator, we'll get this. Then 3x, how to say that? X equals to like 3 round of the pi, so plus pi plus sec 2 pi.
Okay. Saya pun nak find out macam mana saya nak annotate ni. Boleh. Okay. Yang di bahagian ini, okay, apa yang saya dapat kat di sini, solving this question, this one is you use ni This one you use calculator.
Yeah.
What I get here is x is equals to 1.2217 plus 2 pi n over 3, and also x is equals to 1.9199 plus 2 pi n over 3, and obviously n is equals to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and so on and so forth. Because here is sine omega theta is equals to 2 pi omega is equals to 2 pi over t. Omega is equals to 2 pi over t. So t here lah kan. So okay. Ni dah salah dah saya tunjuk ni. Sesat dah ni. Okay, so this is the point that you have lah. Kawan-kawan yang lain dapat macam mana? Ada tak yang dapat sama dengan Shui? Okay, so I think using the calculator here, sin 3x is equals to negative 1 over 2, right? So now you should find 3x is equals to arc sine negative 1 over 2. So here that you have 3.6652 plus 2 pi n and also a 5.7596 plus 2 pi n. Sebab itulah X nanti you akan dapat jawapan yang ni. Okay, sebab don't forget that 2 pi n on this. Okay, if you miss that, the solution tak ada 2 pi n over 3. I mean 2 pi n ni. I think what Shui is missing here is 2 pi n. Okay, because this is sebab sin ni kan dengan arc sine ni they should have trigonometric kan, sin and cos, they should have 2 pi n. Right, as you can see as the earlier solution that I've shown you on example berapa tadi example berapa tadi? Example 3 kan. So nanti kita akan ada 2 pi n tu untuk because n will be equals to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2. In Shui's case, dia tak ada 2 pi n. So I think this is the correct answer. Alright, you must include the 2 pi n tu. So how to find it here? Using this one, 3 x ni equals to arc sine negative 1 over 2. Then you will get the answer of 3.6652 plus 2 pi n dengan yang ni. This one is also using the calculator. Alright. Okay, thank you Shui. So now, can we move to Labik? Nanti wait, I want to save this first. Okay, save. So now Labik pula. Labik Fahmi.
Kejap ya, doktor.
Ya. Yeah. Farah sebenarnya ada ke tidak ni Farah Zainali ni? Awak tak buka mikrofon awak. Jadi saya panggil-panggil awak untuk buat nombor 2 ni. Kalau awak tak boleh nak buat, tadi masa saya panggil, bagi tahulah apa kekangan awak. Awak online je ni tapi tak jawab apa-apa pun, susah macam ni.
Saya tengah buat tapi saya rasa macam tak boleh je. Saya boleh buat tapi yang derivatif je.
Macam mana Farah?
Saya tak boleh nak selesaikan.
Kat bahagian mana awak tak boleh selesaikan tu?
Saya dapat cari derivatif dia je yang macam biasa cari.
Cuba awak, okay, awak share apa yang awak dah jawab. Inilah tujuannya saya panggil student sebab kita nak tengok, saya nak tengok macam mana students faham. So kalau awak tak boleh nak jawab, tak apa awak cuba kan. Just share apa jawapan awak, nanti saya tengok kat mana salah kita betulkan.
Okay, kejap saya nak tulis habis semua jawapan saya dulu jap.
Okay. Cepat-cepat buat nanti share dekat skrin. Labik, awak boleh share tak sekarang?
Okay, jap.
Cepat. Awak buat dulu Farah, lepas ni saya panggil awak. Lepas tu dan Puteri Wan Najihah. Jangan takut kalau awak tak ada jawapan. Sebab
tapi
nanti
doktor,
ya.
Saya dapat yang cara derivatif.
Cara derivatif? Tak apalah buatlah. Tunjuk.
Okay.
Mari kita selesaikan bersama. Don't worry.
Mantap lebih.
Share screen. Buat matematik ni sama macam dalam
Ni,
kehidupan
doktor.
awak. Kita akan melakukan kesalahan. Jadi daripada kesalahan tu kita betulkan. Gitu. Okay, saya boleh annotate nanti. Alright. Okay, explain sikit Labik.
Explain.
Yelah, explain lah jawapan awak tu. Ln kan tu, buat apa awak tulis in. Okay, x squared ln 3x plus 6, right? So, awak punya penyelesaian tu awak buat dx squared ln 3x plus okay, plus d dx 6 ln 3x plus agak confused di situ. 2x ln 3x plus x. Okay. Okay. 2x. Kat mana buat salah ni? Dua x ln 3x tambah x squared. Dekat sini, salah sikit kat sini je lah, Bib, okay? Yang lain semua tu nampak fine, alright? So I think here, okay, alah, kalau saya guna warna putih nampak ke?
Warna merah doktor.
Ha?
Nampak sikit. Warna merah.
Merah nampak sikit kan? Tak, sebab tiba-tiba ada jadi hitam pula kat tepi ni, tak apalah. Okay, so okay, x squared ln 3x ni awak akan guna product rule kan? Betul? Okay, product rule lah kat sini yang akan jadi f prime x is equals to 2x ln 3x plus x squared 3 over 3x. Dekat situ tu awak salah sikit. Okay, tak apa. Saya save dulu ni. Don't worry lah. Save pun tak adalah saya bagi markah kat awak. Okay, bukanlah I mean tak adalah saya bagi salah dekat awak. Okay, saya mungkin akan bagi markah kerana apa ni, awak punya
Mencuba.
ya, mencuba dan juga participant in the class, right? So nanti kita tulis comel sikit lah. Sebab sempit sangat dan diwarna hitam. Tapi terima kasih lah Bik. You have done a good job. Okay, so ni awak kena buat u v prime plus v u prime, okay? So you get f prime x is equals to 2x ln 3x plus x squared 3 over 3x. Okay. Tadi Labik apa yang awak tak buat adalah awak ambil v kan? Awak ambil v balik. Tapi u ni awak tak differentiate. You don't differentiate ln 3x ni. If you differentiate ln 3x, you will get 3 over 3x lah. Alright Labik. So now you know what is apa yang salah dekat yang you buat tadi. Okay?
Ya, okay.
Bagus. Kesalahan akan menyebabkan you ingat dan lepas ni you tak buat dah. 2x ln 3x plus x and equals to x 2 ln 3x plus 1. Alright. So now the derivatives will not exist if x is a negative number or if x is equals to 0. But then again, neither will the function, and so these are not critical points. Okay. So remember, the function will exist if the function will exist if x greater than 0. Okay. And nicely enough, the derivative will also only exist if f derivative will also exist if x lebih besar pada kosong. Okay? Okay, maknanya kalau dia negatif ataupun non negatif, dia tak boleh exist. The function will not exist. Alright, and so the only thing we need to worry about is where the derivative is 0. Okay, so because if a derivative is 0, dia jadi tak boleh lah. Right, so now first note that despite appearances, the derivative will not be 0 for x is equals to 0. As noted above, the derivative doesn't exist at x equals to 0. Okay, because of natural algorithm. And so derivative cannot be 0 there. Derivative cannot be 0 here because of ln. Natural algorithm. Okay, so now apa yang kita kena buat, belum habis lagi ni. So the derivative will only be 0 if 2 ln 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. So ln 3x is equals to negative half. Right? Okay, so we exponentiating both sides. It will be e ln 3x equals to e to the power of negative half. So now buang ni dia akan jadi 3x is equals to e to the power of negative half. X is equals to 1 over 3 e to the power of negative half, or 1 over 3 which equals to e. Okay, so critical point there is here. So this is the critical point for this function. Right? No points, critical point only. Okay, so that is your answer. Alright student, faham? Kita pun save ni. Just now I forgot to save this one. Alright, okay, so now Farah dah ready? Farah boleh share apa jawapan dia?
Sekejap doktor, saya tak boleh share screen sebab doktor share screen.
Ya, okay, share. Dah, siap dah. So kita tengok yang Farah punya agak mudah juga di situ ya. Yang Putri punya macam complicated sedikit lah. Putri dah siap belum?
Dah doktor.
Okay, bagus. Awak punya nombor berapa tadi? Nombor 5. Ini senang dia. Okay. So GT mana tadi? 10 to the power GT. Alright. So your answer will be 10t minus 2. Okay. Saya annotate dia. Okay, ni betul. Okay, betul. So betul dah awak punya differentiation betul. Tapi mana awak punya critical points? Farah, awak ada critical points tak?
Saya tak dapat nak cari yang tu.
Okay, so saya tanya awak sekarang ni. Macam mana nak dapatkan critical points untuk persamaan ni? How to get the critical points here?
AF sama F.
How? This is how you get the G prime, right? So now from here, apa yang you kena buat?
Okay, ni kot AFX per DX sama dengan kosong.
Yes. So 10t minus 2 divide by 3t to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, ni sama dengan yang ni sama dengan kosong. Alright, and then after you completing your equation, you will get t is equals to 0 and 1 over 5. Okay, tu masuk dekat dalam calculator lah. Okay, so this is the critical point for this problem. Alright, so if you can see, kalau if the questions is on the polynomial, it's quite easy for you to get the answer. Alright, because the critical point can exist anywhere. But if the case of yang macam Shui answer just now, cos and sine, trigonometric, natural logarithm, that one is quite tricky lah, because ada issues such as cannot be zero, and then cannot be negative points, right? So that thing you must take care of, things that you need to understand. Okay, banyakkan membaca on the understanding of the mathematics, then you can find. Alright, thank you very much Farah. Now, last kali, Putri. Kejap. Stop. Okay. Putri pula. Okay. Alright, Putri punya jawapan teruslah kita boleh bagi bintang sebab betul jawapan dia. Okay? Tahniah Putri. So, kawan-kawan, all of your friends, please have a look at the at Putri's answers. Alright, as you can see here. First thing first, alright. Although that the function doesn't have critical points. For example, in this question, number 5, there's no critical points because of the value of the e to the power of x something. But it is important for you to find the differentiation of the function. Okay, that is very important. Okay, because for example, if this question, I will give you like 5 marks. If you just say no critical point, then I will give you 0 because you don't show me how there's no critical point for this function. Okay, so to find the critical point, you must differentiate first. So in this case, Putri has differentiated this one. Okay, you will get, what do you use here, Putri? Product rule, right? Product rule, okay? Product rule, right? U V prime plus dengan V U prime, okay? So then you get the answer of e to the power of x squared times 1 plus 2x squared. And then it can never be 0. So that's why when you find here, you show here this function will never be 0 at any real value of x. Hence, this function will not have any critical points. So, well done, Putri. You have done a great job here. Okay. So, I will save this one. Okay, I already saved it. Thanks. Okay, thank you students who participate in answering all the 5 questions. So yang mana salah, awak jangan sedih sebab daripada kesalahan lah kita boleh mencari kebenaran. Alright. If you don't know where you did wrong, so you don't know how to progress lah. Okay. Kalau kita buat salah tu maknanya kita ada progress dalam diri kita daripada kita tak cuba membuat langsung dan kita tidak bergerak daripada satu point ke satu point. Okay, tu saya punya pegangan lah. Okay, sebab dalam kehidupan pun macam tu. You tak boleh static, maknanya you tak boleh static dan tidak ada progress. Jadi you macam tak buat apa-apa, termenung aja kan. So just like you playing games pun you akan ada progress. You buat salah, you tembak sini, salah kat sini, rupanya kena tembak kat sini. Same in mathematics. Okay, same analogy lah in maths. Alright. Okay, so I think that's all for today because we have only like 7 minutes left here. And the next subtopic is on absolute maxima, and also the last one is the